Welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the MI11X versus the iQOO Z5 device. So during this time of testing, I'll try to use the 10 games. So these 10 games are completely kind of close to small games only. I did not include any kind of big games at this point. Let's see which phone can actually open these games faster and which phone can actually store them in the background RAM management. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. That's why I thought of making a side-by-side comparison between these both phones. Let's see friends, and the MI11X has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and iQOO Z5 has got Snapdragon 778G processor, 8GB RAM variant and 8GB RAM variant. And first I need to clear everything from the background, so no applications running in the background at this moment, and we don't require any kind of Wi-Fi connection because these games are completely, you can actually run in the offline mode as well. That's the reason there is no Wi-Fi connection required. So let's start the speed test without wasting any kind of time, and I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, no monster mode, no game space, no game turbo, nothing is involved during this process of demonstration. So let's start with the first game, which is a Subway Surf game. Let me just slightly zoom into the camera so you'll be able to focus properly. So let's start with the first game, Subway Surf 1, 2 and 3. So let me need to turn off the ultra game mode. Sorry friends, I forgot to turn off the ultra game mode. Yes, so right now ultra game mode is turned off. Sorry for the disturbance, I forgot totally. And everything is completely clean. Yes, perfect. Now let's start the test. 1, 2 and 3. No, it's perfect. Let's see which phone can actually open. MI11X did open slightly faster than the iQOO Z3. Slightly increase the brightness. Yes. And Candy Crush. Let's see the Candy Crush game. Candy Crush also did open faster in the MI11X device. Not problem. So even this game also did open slightly faster. No issues. And next, let's move to the next game, Temple Run game. Let's see Temple Run. And here we go. I think the first phone to open is iQOO Z5, maybe the Temple Run game, slightly faster than the MI11X device, little bit, but not a huge difference. And next is Smash It. Let's see this game. I think both phones did open slightly faster. And now let me need to go back to the home screen and use the Crossy Roads. So this will give the clear idea what is going on with the RAM management also friends. That's the reason I did include 10 games. So instead of applications, only 10 games I did include, just to check how is the RAM management is maintaining between these both phones. So first phone to open is MI11X device in terms of opening speed. Next is El Clam Racing. So most of the time the MI11X was able to open slightly faster than the iQOO Z5. That's the one thing which I did observe during this process of demonstration. Angry Birds. So in case if you want me to do similar kind of testing with other phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos in my channel as soon as possible. So MI11X device did open again this game faster than the iQOO Z5. Next is a Stake Ball. Let's see this game, Stake Balls. So again a little bit faster in the MI11X device. Overall friends, the MI11X was able to open this game slightly faster than the iQOO Z5. This is one thing which we did understand. Now next thing we need to check about the RAM management. How good is the RAM management between these both phones? All the 10 games are completely open in both devices, you can clearly see here. Now let's go to the home screen and let's try to open one by one game from the background. From backside I'm trying to open. So both phones were able to keep seeing games in the background, nothing much problem. Yes. So second row has been finished. You can clearly see. So both phones were able to keep all the 5 games in the background. Now let's move to the top row, and here comes Temple Run. Not bad. When this game also is open in both phones. Candy Crush is also open in both phones. And let's open the Subway Surf game from the multitasking. So 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So both phones were able to keep all the 10 games completely in the background RAM management without any kind of problem. 10 games, 10 out of 10 games, no issues at all. Doesn't matter what game you open, it will definitely open instant. Instant reaction will be there between these both phones without much kind of disturbance. As you can exactly see, no issues at all in terms of the opening speeds. Perfect. Very, very perfect. As you can clearly see friends. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I try to do this kind of comparison with other smartphones as well. So comparing this many games, only 10 games. So this will be the really good example how the other phones RAM management is behaving. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.